What's up, everyone? Danny Bro here, and I just want to say something real quick that I'm changing subjects from Nerf to Airsoft because I'm doing an Airsoft review today. This is the Stinger P311 or the M1911, if you would call it, and it's an Airsoft gun I ordered from Amazon, and yeah, my birthday just passed. I used it with my birthday money, all that. But without further ado, let's open this.
Enemy recon planes right above us! Outstanding, Marines! Out-fucking-standing! We kicked ass!
So I finally got it out of the box, and this is what it is overall. And this is basically like black. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's like the safety is right here, right there. So you just push it up so you can't cock it back or pull the trigger, which is smart. Then just, yeah, it's kind of loud, but not that loud. The magazine release is right there. This does not come with BBs though, which sucks. But it is a pretty cool gun. It's powerful, I know that. On the box, there's manual. The box is velocity is 325 feet per second. And it holds up to 12 rounds, so I guess this would be an extended mag, regular M1911. I'm like holding place right here. Well, that is my review for the Stinger P311. You can go buy this on Amazon. It's only like $10. The version I got was $10 because that was better to be black and the iron sight's better. There's a clear one, but if you want to order that one, that's fine. But I just would recommend this one. So yeah, that's my review for this M1911 today.
Everyone.